Hi students, good evening everybody. In exercise 13.2, look at this question, 8th question, first bit. Limit x tends to 0, sin square x by 2x, sin square x by 2x, sin x square by x. Try to understand the difference here. This is sin square x, that is sin x square. Easy? Listen once. Limit x tends to 0, sin square x by 2x equal to, what I am going to do is, limit x tends to 0. Here we have sin square x, right? Sin x, one sin x I am taking. This 1 by 2 keep it aside. 1 by 2 I am bringing it out because constant. 1x I am keeping here, right? And one more sin x is there. So for that also you apply limit. Limit sin x tends to 0, sin x. Hope it is clear. This is one step. This is one step. Just splitting. Since we have sin square x, I wrote one sin x here, there one sin x. Sin x into sin x, sin square x, but not sin x square, right? So this value clearly understood. One, sin theta by theta as theta tends to 0. As x tends to 0, sin 0, 0. Right? Then sin 0 value 0. 1 by 2 into 0, 0. Since limit x tends to, limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta value 1 always. So therefore, limit x tends to 0, sin square x upon 2x, value 0. Look at second solution. Same question but a small difference is there. Sin square x never be equal to sin x square. This is sin x square by x. Okay. Then what I am going to do is, limit x tends to 0, sin x square is there. In the denominator also x square should be there. That's all. So that means I multiplied here with 1x. So I will write 1x outside. Hope it is clear. Since sin x square is there, since limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta value how much? 1. So that is why I wrote like this. So I will take limit like this. Limit x tends to 0 means x square also tends to 0. You should never forget to write limit here. Remember carefully, sin x square by x square. This value becomes 1. Here I have limit x tends to 0, x. This value will be 1 and this value will be 0. Something into 0, 0. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, sin x square by x, value 0. Hope it is clear. Thank you.